throw all that in there, Tyler. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name's Damon Fryer. This is one of my 3 daughters, Tyler. Say what's up.
Hi.
Most of you guys know who she is. We've got some stuff. We're in the Ferrari today. We're gonna head down to Graphic Effects because I wanted to give the guys who worked on my HURACAN some of the DDE merch. So I've got some t-shirts, I've got a hoodie for them. I'm pretty stoked to give them that stuff. I know they were looking forward to it. And they have the very first client that came from one of my videos from the island here, down there with his Porsche, starting the process of being wrapped. So we're gonna go and cover a little bit of that. Then we're gonna continue on with our day in the Ferrari. As Daily Driven Exotics is, we do everything in supercars. So why don't we throw that in the frunk? So it's right here. I'm a liar. Right here. It's right on this side, so my bad. Yeah, throw it in there. There we got the merch for the boys. So if you're new to this car, this is a Scuderia, and it's the lightweight version of an F430. So it's got complete carbon door panels, no carpets, everything's carbon fiber Alcantara, and it's got some pretty wicked carbon fiber race seats and a fire extinguisher. Hopefully we never have to use it. All right, let's get this show on the road. Reverse. Hopefully we're gonna be able to get our Range Rover Sportback soon. We got an F-Pace as a loaner. Apparently there's something wrong with our engine and they're putting an entirely new engine into our Sport. Now it is the diesel model, so I wouldn't get too worried if you have a Range Rover. This isn't a normal issue that's going on with our vehicle. It is kind of a one-off. My wife was told to warm the diesel engine up, and she's been doing that for basically the last year for like 10 to 15 minutes outside of our house. Some of you right now are probably cringing because warming a diesel engine is not what you should be doing. It creates buildup within the intakes inside the engine, and it starts to run like complete shit. And then that's basically what's happened to our engine. And so they've taken the thing apart. They tried to replace a few things. It just wasn't working out. So they called us and said, after a couple of weeks of working on it, we're gonna put an entirely new engine in your Range Rover. It's been there for another couple of weeks. We've been without it for about a month now. But the good news is Land Rover Jaguar Victoria has been so good as far as giving us a beautiful loaner. We even had an autobiography Range Rover Sport. We just absolutely hated the fuel economy of that vehicle. I mean, we're used to, 850 kilometers on about $85 worth of fuel, and this thing was chugging back like $300 to $400 in fuel a week. So yeah, we traded it in and got the F-Pace. So let's rip into downtown Victoria, go and check out this Porsche they're working on at Graphic Effects. Here we are, Tyler. Graphic Effects. Hello. There he is. Doing the Porsche, hey?
Yeah, a little color change. Not really. It's a 2001, so the paint's kind of, but we'll get this brand new silver on it. It'll look.
It's significantly different. It's a lighter shade, and then it's a satin.
Yeah, it's got a shimmer to it, whereas the
totally. This is a much cleaner look. That's cool. Porsches on a difficulty of 1 to 10, 10 being ridiculous, 1 being easy. How hard are these things?
Probably an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
The mirrors are the funnest, right?
Mirrors are fun, and this piece here is all one. So trying to get the vinyl in this.
Oh yeah, like literally from under the door, up this whole rear quarter, and then it swings back up and over it. Wow.
We can cheat with this one because it's just a color change.
Yeah.
Yours has the print embedded.
Right.
So we can do each panel as its own piece and tuck it in nice and neat.
Hey, Jay.
How are ya?
Good, man.
Good.
You're looking spiffy.
I'm trying.
Have you met my daughter? One of 3.
I haven't.
The middle of 3.
How are you? I'm Jay.
Tyler.
Nice to meet ya.
Jay and his brother Kyle own this business.
Yeah.
And then these are their amazing installers for signs and car wraps. Terry, And that was Hunter behind you.
Yeah.
So I can tell you've got the door, so that's a really good where you can see right here that difference. So from the gloss to this really nice satin sheen, and it's definitely got like a brighter look to it, and that's just in here. And so this gentleman came from the video.
He did. He came from the videos. He's seen.
Ironically, he's my old neighbor from like a long time ago.
Oh.
Not like next door neighbor, but two townhomes over from where we used to live.
Right on.
Yeah. He had a C63 at the time.
Yeah.
And we used to always chat cars because we were basically the only two guys in our whole kind of area neighborhood that had anything sporty.
Yeah.
And that's when I first got my Gallardo.
Oh yeah?
So that's going 5.5 years ago. So yeah, when you're cutting this, you're not cutting it on the car, are you?
No, I'm just beveling the knife on the bodyline edge.
Yeah.
So I'm not actually cutting on the vehicle or in the paint. It's just gliding along the edge.
It's like a magic trick.
Yeah.
What the eye can't see is the knife's like on an angle like this, and it's just touching the edge.
Yeah,
and
we're never actually cutting on the vehicle. It's kind of gliding.
Right. And like that, the door reveal. It's so clean looking, like it's gonna look insane in the sun. You guys want to check out the Ferrari? And I brought you guys some gear. Some gear.
Sounds good.
Gonna
Cool.
make them look like a walking DD commercial. So you guys can fight. I don't know if one person, that's literally like the most wanted hat that I've never remade. So then here, you get the, this one's cool because we made this. We actually made this like before anybody knew that I was gonna go gray. Medium?
Yeah, dude.
That's will shrink, so XL. Yeah. Just
Thanks, buddy.
wash
Really
it, stick it in the dryer. Okay guys, we are now going to throw Hunter and Terry from Graphic Effects into the car and take them for a rip. They've never been in any supercar. I can't even believe this. First experience, scare the living out of them, hopefully without getting in trouble.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, throw on the belt, you'll need that. Our local law enforcement appreciate it when you wear a seatbelt. So this is a single clutch opposed to a dual clutch transmission. So the Huracan's much smoother. This car is like the old school raw supercar. You'll feel it when it shifts, especially in race mode. It is kind of kicks you in the pants.
Sounds exactly what you want in a supercar.
Right? I think so. And the ceramic brakes kicking quite quickly as well. Feel that single clutch kick. My car, when it shifts like that, is like buttery smooth. In fact, the little bit of kick you get in my car is actually fabricated into the software.
That's awesome.
Isn't that crazy?
That's perfect.
Sorry if it's shaky, guys. The mount I have is connected to the car and it's really bumpy.
Man, that's better than roller coaster.
It is, right? Yeah. You can imagine if you can only go out a third, we'd be moving.
Oh,
But that's literally just from, you know, basically 0 to the speed limit we're doing there, so we're good. You liked it?
yeah.
Okay, thoughts on a Ferrari?
This was a lot of fun.
Cool.
This was a lot of fun for being stuck in good old Victoria traffic.
I appreciate it, but I don't have any payments on this car.
But Ferraris do like to steal wallets.
There it is.
Ever been in a Ferrari before?
In '93,
Really?
my aunt and uncle in Florida have a whole bunch of random cars.
Was it red?
It was black, actually.
Oh, black.
Yeah.
That's pretty rare back then. Most cars back then, I think, were red.
Okay.
That's cool. Black was
I remember it being black with a light tan interior.
interior. Yeah, that's pretty classic. All right, let's hit the road.
Like California Screaming at Disneyland.
So we did the 0 to kind of the speed limit run.
Right, of course, yeah.
But what'd you guys think?
It was good. I loved it.
Yeah.
It was worth every minute of my life. But however, I'm going to steal the car from you.
And then we'll bring out the Huracan and take you guys for a second ride.
Sounds like a blast.
Yeah. Well, hey, thanks again for all the work you guys did on the car.
Thanks for the swag.
Hey, my pleasure.
Awesome, man. Thanks for taking them. That's
Oh.
super cool.
And then give me a shout when you guys
for
are
everything.
doing like the last bit of the car, so we can see it at the end. Because it's gonna look really cool, and when we can bring it out here.
Totally. Yeah.
Yeah, it changes everything.
Do it.
And we got to talk about what we're doing with this,
We do
because this is car number 2 for you.
Pink and daisies.
Let's do it, and we'll make
about the
Oliver
pink
drive it
daisies.
all year.
All about it's just
Pink and daisies for Oliver. Done.
One like equals one daisy.
One like equals one. I like this. You know how to play the social media game. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this episode. Smash the subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up, and I'll be back with another video. It's my youngest daughter, Presley's official birthday today. We did her birthday party yesterday. She's 5. And so Tyler and I are gonna go and meet the wife and Presley down at the museum. We were like, what do you want to do for your birthday? I want to go to the museum. All right.
awesome.
So, peace, guys.
Have a-